Now you have to Nadine House 6ကျော် volunteer ပနာကကြနာတဲ့နော်တကိုင်းအနညပ်တဲ့နော်တဲ့စေဒီကျူဖဲတဲ့ပိုက်ပပလို့ပြောစရာ
I never stop to see you cry.
Hello everyone, my name is Saana and I found Nadine House Education doing workaway in other countries before this, and then I wanted to try English teaching and I found this workaway, and I have really loved it so far because I feel like the community feeling that you have here is amazing and something that I haven't experienced anywhere else. And the kids are so joyful and excited all the time, and it's really amazing to be a part of this. One challenging thing about this experience has been maybe the language barrier, because some of the villagers, they speak a language that not even Google Translate knows. It's Hmong. So sometimes it's a bit interesting and you just come up with some hand signals and stuff like that, but at the end of the day we always find a way to understand each other, and some of them also speak Thai, so it's good at the end of the day.
What tools do you think that if you have here versus the US or in your country that you will find more useful here? Like a TV or a projector that you can use YouTube to illustrate pictures, would that help you?
I think it would be good, yeah, but sometimes, oh sorry, I didn't really understand the question.
What tools do you think that a basic tool like a TV where you could link up to YouTube or illustration of the picture through Google would help you? Do you think that if you have that tool would be a lot easier for you?
I think it would help, yeah, because when you have a picture of something or a video, you don't have to explain it. It's just like you see the picture and then you understand what the thing is about.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi, my name is Maggie. I'm from the Netherlands. I found out about Nadine's House Education Foundation. I traveled for a while, and I wanted at the end to experience a more local community, because being in the bigger cities, everything is very much made to be more appealing for tourists, so I wanted to experience something more really local and really genuine. And the experience so far has been really amazing. The conditions are a bit, how do you say it? They're very simple, and but the kids and the locals make up everything for it. The kids are so like inspired and like really eager to learn, so it's really been more a treat for me to teach them, I think. And yeah, it's just really nice to see.
So how's the children? How is the children treating you?
I mean, they're just so happy every time to see us when we're walking on the streets. They ask us to come play football with them. Also children that we don't teach, there's the children around here in the neighborhood. They come up to this house and we play with them. Sometimes we have lunch with them. So it's more than just the children that we teach, just the entire community is involved, and that's really nice to see.
Do you feel that English will make an impact in their life, and your presence here makes an impact in their life?
I hope so. It's not even, I mean, language definitely opens doors, but I hope that by being here, I can also show them that, give them some kind of confidence to pursue more things in their life, that there might be more than maybe this village, or might be more that they can experience further in their lives.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Sophie and I'm from Canada. I came across Nadine House Education Foundation. Education is something that I hold really close to my heart. And I think it's very important for every child to have. And so I came here in hopes of learning from the kids and teaching the kids in an exchange. And it's been really beautiful. The community here is amazing and so welcoming. And even if we've lived in this very minimalistic, this is my bed, minimalistic space. The kitchen is here. We come here for the kids and to teach, and the living arrangement is really not what attracted us here, but the community and teaching the kids makes it all worth it.
How's the villager hosting you?
The villagers are amazing. We eat dinner sometimes there. They bring us food. We play with the kids. It's really an amazing experience. It's
Okay.
really,
All right, thank you.
What hope those who are young có muốn đâu cùng chỉ mua đắp chỉ yêu ở trong chỉ họ đâu có cú sát địa mùa sắc câu nó đâu có chỉ trong lo lắng lâu ya yo lon the good she do ka